have a box I want to unpackage with you. It's a lot of shoes. I like shoes. I have a shopping problem. It's a very big box. Like, ugh. It's big. Like this is my head. It's big. Ah. Okay. Scissors. How do I... Ooh, that was loud. Sorry. Let's go from the side. The box got crushed in transit, which is fine because, like, they're shoes. They're not fragile. The FedEx guy who delivered it, though, was so, like, nice about it. He was like, I'm so sorry this happened. If it's fragile, let me know. We can probably figure something out. And I was like, no, it's fine. They're shoes. It's nothing to worry about. So, yeah. First one. Yes, these are all Demonia shoes. Yes, they were expensive, but Black Friday sale, so worth it. Look at that platform. My God. I think that's like 3 inches. I'm gonna look so tall in this. I love the little studs and of course the bows, both on both locations here. I like that this is a double buckle up here. That's just cool. Ooh, there's studs on the back too. Excitement. Next one. And I did it right side up. Yay. Ooh, these ones have nicer wrapping. Oh my gosh, these are so red. This is also going to be for my Sweet Lolita looks. The ones that have like pops of red, like strawberries, cherries, that kind of thing. I love seeing other Lolitas with this like platform heel in their sweet looks. It feels more badass. And sometimes I want to look like that. So, yay. You can kind of see the glue on the seam right here, unfortunately, but you know, that's not going to show up in my pictures, so it's whatever. And another one. This one smells like plastic. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. I want all of you to look at it. SpongeBob reference. Oh my gosh, the spikes, man. The spikes. Oh my God, the buckles. Oh, I was looking at, this is the inside, this is the outside. Like, oh my gosh. This is so cool. It's gonna be great for like actual punk looks. Gonna try to do some punk Lolitas, so I love it. There's a little spike coming out of each little belt ring here, so that's cool. And it's a zip up, so I don't have to redo the lacing every time I put the shoe on. I love that. Last one. Ooh, these ones get nicer packaging too. You know I need more pink in my life. I have the same exact style in white, and I absolutely love it. But I've been thinking, like, you know what would make my wardrobe better if I had pink? So now I have pink. I like that the buckles are iridescent. I think that's super cool. Did it focus on them instead of my face? Hopefully. So, should we put them on? Yeah, obviously we're gonna put them on. I'm not gonna style a whole outfit with them though, because I don't have the energy for that today. So I'll get out of my pajamas to show the leg area better, but yeah. So these were an absolute pain to get on because of all the buckles. But they look heckin' cute. Oh my god. They have very little traction though, so I feel like I won't be able to walk very easily in these. They fit wonderfully, so I think I got the right size. And I don't feel any pinching or extra tightness anywhere, so yay! These are so cute! Oh my gosh! And they were really easy to get on because there's only one buckle. I can definitely see how that can be hard for some people. But yeah, they fit pretty well. I think I got this size a little bigger than normal, so I could have extra room in the like sock area. I am feeling a little pinching right below my ankles, so that's not pleasant, but hopefully something I can just break in over time, you know? These look so cool, oh my gosh. And they were super easy to put on because they just have a zipper right there, so nice, love it. This is super comfortable too, and I don't feel any pinching anywhere, so yay! Last pair. Oh, these are so cute. I love them so much. They are incredibly comfy. I did get the size down, so size 6. Again, with the straps, this makes it a little difficult to get on, but not as bad as the first pair of shoes. But yeah, I love them. As a general rule of thumb, when I buy Demonias, for sizes, they don't do half sizes, but I'm like a 6.5 normally. Sometimes I'm a 6, depending on the brand. But I've gotten shoes from Demonia in the past that are size 6, but they like really pinch my toes, and it's just absolutely painful to wear. So I tried sizing up this time to a 7. For the high heels like this one is a 7, so I rounded up, and for the more flat shoe like this, I rounded down to 6. You can kind of see the foot shape difference. But yeah, they're both comfortable, so I think I did good. So that's my Demonia unboxing and review. Thank you for watching. And I hope you stick around sometime later when I actually put outfits together with these, because they're gonna look so cool. And I'm excited. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!